was too late. Lava poured through the streets. Flames consumed the town, and a fiery beast, bound for decades, unleashed its wrath. He and his loyal dog began to transform. His tattered cloak became gleaming, rune-edged armor, and the lantern morphed into a weapon of radiant energy. The dog grew larger, together, now as warriors forged by the lantern's magic. He descended into the burning chaos below.
Before you go, you must listen.
Oops! Sorry to interrupt. There you are. I'm glad we finally found you, Kurokumo Cherry-san. We gather that some of your memory has come back. Regretfully, I reset your memory as was stipulated in the Kurokumo Charter. Rest assured, I wish to aid your full recall.
Pandora. A world of wonder. Now on the brink of war. The balance is broken. The fight for survival begins. One warrior. One destiny. One final stand. Return to Pandora. The war has begun.